We have another McDonald's toy. Let's see what we got today. It is Lugia from the Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire games. It is number 4 in this series. Let's get this open. It comes with Lugia, a Pokemon card, and some instructions. Let's take a closer look. The model of this figure is fantastic. It looks just like he does in the cartoon. Mine does have some blue paint smudging over here. Most of it is white plastic with some paint on the abdomen, back, head, and tail. Wow, the tail can rotate. The feet can rotate around. The tail is rotatable and is made out of softer plastic. His head can also rotate, and the wings can move back and forth. The gimmick is this little switch on the back to flap the wings, to attack or fly. Since he is a psychic flying Pokemon, he is giving a stare like he is psychically talking to you, but doesn't open his mouth for an attack, and the head doesn't look up to simulate flying. Let's see what Pokemon card we got this time. It is Torchic. Whoops. It is number 3 in this card series. A shiny card and very cute. Torchic is number 255 in the Pokedex. It is pretty obvious it is a fire type chick Pokemon. That's it for now. See you next time.